Do you want to lose weight? Have you been trying all means to lose weight but to no result? Then this is for you. Stick around, I have a really good remedy for you. But before you start having wild thoughts, keep in mind this remedy is purely natural and you can prepare it at the comfort of your home. Now to prepare this remedy, all you need is a dried hibiscus flower and a lime. Please note, if you have gastric ulcer or any digestive tract condition, I will advise you to skip this remedy. Now let's jump straight into the preparing process. All you need is to boil the hibiscus flowers with lime. Allow it to cool off, and drink a cupful first thing in the morning. Continue this remedy until you see your weight reduce drastically. But in case you have any side effects, please stop using this remedy immediately. Thank you for watching, and let me know if it works for you. Remember, we have different bodies, what might work for me, might not work for you, so don't force it.